Most people believe starting with nothing is a disadvantage. I don't. The most dangerous position in life is not having $0. The most dangerous position is having no plan. When you don't have a plan, you do three predictable things. You copy what confused people around you are doing. You spend emotionally and justify it as living your life, and you hope something external will save you. Time passes. Another year disappears. Nothing changes. If I had to begin to avoidance with $0, I wouldn't need motivation. I wouldn't need optimism. I would need a system, not a system to get rich quickly, but a system designed to prevent me from continuing to make predictable mistakes. People who start with nothing have three advantages that wealthy people often lose. Advantage 1, freedom. You have no lifestyle to defend, no expensive house to maintain, no image to protect. Someone earning $300,000 per year, but spending $295,000 is far more trapped than someone earning much less with no obligations. Advantage 2, cheap mistakes. If you fail early, the cost is small, hundreds or thousands, not millions. That's not a disaster. That's tuition. Advantage 3, time hasn't fully turned against you. Poverty compounds, just like wealth. But if you interrupt it early enough, the curve can still be reversed. There is only one condition. You must act differently, and you must do it long enough. The 12-month plan, no theatrics, no shortcuts, no self-deception. Month 1, stop the bleeding. If you are starting the year with $0, only one thing is true. Money is leaving your life faster than it is entering. The first step is not earning more. The first step is stopping the hemorrhage. In month 1, I would do 3 things and nothing else. 1, write down every dollar, leaving your life. No estimates, no rounding, every subscription, every habit, every payment. 2, cut at least 50% immediately. Car payment? Gone. Dining out? Gone. Subscriptions? Gone. All of them. This is not a permanent lifestyle. This is a 12-month reset. 3, lower your standard of living to the minimum with dignity. Simple food, modest housing, no signaling, no explanations. You don't need to prove anything to anyone. Philosophy, month 1, when you are broke, the only thing you deserve is to stop being broke. Months 2 and 3, earn like someone who actually needs money. You cannot invest your way out of poverty. If you are starting from $0, $50 a month into index funds will not save this year. For the next 8 weeks, there is only one goal: increase income aggressively and immediately. What I would do: sell the highest value skill I possess, work multiple income streams, maximize hours temporarily, one primary job, one evening income stream, one weekend source. Not because I enjoy it, but because I am buying leverage. The target, 60, 70 hours per week for 8 weeks to accumulate $5,000 in cash. Not for investing, for psychological repositioning. Cash changes how you think. Philosophy, months 2 and 3. No one escapes poverty through comfort. Months 4 to 6. Build the emergency wall. This is where most people fail. They earn their first $5,000 and rush to invest. Then life happens. A breakdown, a medical bill, job loss. They sell at the worst moment and return to zero, defeated. I would not repeat that mistake. The objective: continue high-income effort. Maintain minimal expenses. Build $10,000 in cash reserves. Combined position: $10,000 emergency fund, $5,000 additional liquidity. This money is not designed to grow wealth. It is designed to buy calm. When you have cash, you don't panic. When you don't panic, you stop destroying yourself. Philosophy: months 4 to 6. Cash doesn't make you rich. It keeps you from making irreversible mistakes. Months 7 and 8. Invest in earning power. Now, and only now, investing begins. But not in stocks, the highest return asset. At this stage is you. Allocation of the $5,000. Skills that increase hourly. Income. Tools that enable independence. Strategic relationships. A small opportunity reserve. The goal is not transformation. The goal is sustainable earning power. Philosophy: months 7 and 8. The best investment is the one no market crash can take away. Months 9 and 10. Create a second income stream. By now, you have reserves, higher income, discipline. Now, you build something that works without your constant labor. 2 practical paths. Path 1: boring dividends, unexciting companies, long histories, reliable payouts. Path 2: simple property strategy, live in one unit, rent the other, reduce living costs while building equity. The goal is not wealth. The goal is non-labor income. Philosophy: months 9 and 10. Freedom begins with small, predictable cash flow. Month 11. The month that destroys progress. November ruins more financial plans than market crashes. Holidays, justifications. I earned this. No, you earned discipline. November is about preservation. No lifestyle inflation. No symbolic spending. Protect what you built. Philosophy: month 11. Earning money is easy. Keeping it is the real skill. Month 12. Design year 2. If you followed the plan, you are no longer fragile. You have systems. You have credibility with yourself. Year 1 was defense. Year 2 becomes offense. Now you can invest more aggressively, expand intelligently, accept calculated risk. Philosophy: month 12. Freedom is not one decision. It is 365 disciplined ones repeated. Wealth is not difficult because information is scarce. It is difficult because execution is uncomfortable. If you begin 2026 with nothing, you don't need hope. You need 12 disciplined months. Do that, and you will not recognize your financial life 1 year from now.